Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening Capcut and loading the clip you'll add speech to. Make sure the app is updated so the TTS feature appears. Once your video is on the timeline, tap the playhead where you want the voice to begin. Then open the text or audio menu. Capcut uses these entry points. This gets you into the right context quickly, and it avoids wasted steps while ensuring the TTS options are available. Next, select text then text-to-speech, or go via audio and choose voiceover depending on your app version. You'll type or paste the exact lines you want read aloud. Pick the language and a voice. Different voices matter because some handle punctuation better, which affects naturalness. Adjust speed and pitch to match tone, and drag the generated clip to align with visuals. Make sure to preview. This confirms timing and phrasing. Finally, trim the TTS audio, add subtle fades, and nudge it so captions and cuts match the spoken words. This creates a professional flow. Export a brief test clip to confirm audio quality and placement before doing the full render. If you can't find text-to-speech, make sure the app is updated, try reinstalling, or clear the cache. Region restrictions sometimes hide features. If problems persist, restart the device and check permissions for microphone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.